In order to reach our science-based targets, we need our E-Air range. Today we have 4 models: the H185, the H250, the H450 and the V1100. Already they cover a lot of diesel applications in the field. Today we are here with our H450. Let's take a look. When we open up, the first thing you see is the electric engine. Because it's oil-cooled, you will not have anything to do with dust and humidity. Also, a great thing about an electrical engine is the efficiency. It's between 80 and 90% versus the 30-35% of diesel engine. Also, the lifetime is much longer. Typically, it's go up to 80,000 running hours. Then we are coming to the drive. Also, completely sealed. It's water-cooled. No things to do with dust and humidity. That's a great thing. It keeps going and adds a lot of reliability for our customers. The great thing is that the touch and feel for our customers stay the same. With our controller, the same one as on the diesel units, you get the same functionality. Eco mode and base are there. We paid a lot of attention to the details. Maintenance is very easy to do. When you open up the back, you can easily access the air filter and also the oil filters. Let's go to the back. With the cam lock system, it's really plug and play. Just connect the cables and you can start operating the units. For the rest, the compressed air outputs are the same as on your well-known diesel units. Also, the options are the same, like aftercooler and filtering your quality air, same as on the diesel units. From the outside, you couldn't tell, only hear the difference with the diesel one. So not only for us, the E-Air range is very important to reach our science-based targets, but it also adds a lot of value in the operation of our customers.